We have had crises in the past. Some of them have been very difficult, but every single time we came out of the crisis even stronger than ever before, determined to gain lost ground, and we managed to do so.
Messaġġ ta' kuraġġ mill-eks Prim Ministru Lawrence Gonzi fid-dawl tal-kriżi li jinsab fiha pajjiżna fil-waqt li ringrazzja lil dawk kollha li bħalissa jinsabu fuq quddiem nett f'din il-ġlieda.
Decisions are having to be taken, and some of those decisions are indeed very, very difficult ones. I just want to assure them that this is a difficult moment, but we will come out of it. At some point in time, this crisis will end. Life will go back to normal. We will have learned our lessons, I hope, and prepare ourselves for the future so that we can face similar situations in a stronger manner.
Fil-karriera politika tiegħu Lawrence Gonzi iffaċċja diversi momenti ta' kriżi fosthom fl-2008 meta madwar id-dinja iffaċċjajna r-riċessjoni u fl-2011 meta l-Libja kienet għaddejja minn taqlib fi żmien ir-reġim ta' Gaddafi. Waqt li ta' intervista online, Lawrence Gonzi tkellem dwar ġurnata partikolari fi frar tal-2011 meta niżlu żewġ ajruplani tal-militar Libjan mobbija b'munizzjoni. Dawn kienu ajruplani li kienu mibawta minn Gaddafi biex joqtlu bil-bombi liċ-ċittadini tal-Libja iżda l-piloti għażlu li mingħajr permess jiġu Malta. U dak iż-żmien il-Prim Ministru Malti rrid jieħu deċiżjonijiet f'waqthom dwar il-bdoti u dwar l-ajruplani.
We need to do the right thing. Again, we need to take the right decision here. These two airplanes are instruments of destruction, of killing of innocent people. I believe that Maltese values, Maltese beliefs, Maltese way of looking at things demand that we refuse to return these two planes because they are loaded instruments to kill people. We need to prove what we stand for, and we need to show to the whole world now and for the future that Malta and the Maltese have certain values which they are prepared to stand for.
Din il-kwistjoni fl-2011 u r-riċessjoni fl-2008 laqtu lid-dinja kollha b'mod ħażin għal tul ta' xhur, iżda Malta bqajna fuq saqajna u malajr ħriġna mill-kriżi li ġabu magħhom dawn iż-żminijiet, grazzi għal deċiżjonijiet li ħa Lawrence Gonzi fit-tmexxija tal-pajjiż. Fl-intervista, Lawrence Gonzi semma numru ta' punti li jistgħu jgħinu biex noħorġu mill-kriżi tal-coronavirus.
You need to take quick decisions because postponing decisions because they are difficult is the worst thing you could possibly do. Things get worse if you postpone your decision. You need to decide, and you need to decide as best as you can after having weighed all the different opinions that might be put to you for your consideration.
Finalment, Lawrence Gonzi ħeġġeġ lill-Gvern biex verament jaħseb fiċ-ċittadini Maltin u Għawċin f'dan iż-żmien.
I urge government to make sure that anything that is put on the table really goes towards those who are in need for us to be able to recoup the lost ground when things are settled down.
U għalaq messaġġ ta' kuraġġ.
We need to have the skill to be able to overcome partisanship, rise above partisanship. This is a moment in time when all of us should show solidarity with each other, responsibility towards each other, and follow what the authorities are telling us in our best interest.